Alright guys, how's it going? Sunday morning here, Southern California. We're in a tractor actually at the minute. Nice old tractor here. Anyway, let's have a quick pocket dump. I've got the Leatherman Sidekick, which is my favourite Leatherman. That's the one I chose. It's not too big and bulky, easy to carry. It's got just the amount of tools on. I've got a video of this kicking around somewhere, and just done a video on this one. This is the a.wright Peach Pruner, and it's beautiful little knife there. C70 steel, a.wright, handmade in Sheffield, England. Pretty cool little EDC. So we got that, and we've got a petrified fish in D2. It's one of my favourite flipper knives, this one. It's designed by David Chen, and it's model number 818. Look at that blade on there. Look at those bevels on that. Really nice blade. Bit of jimping up here, and like all petrified fish, perfect centering, and just a joy to use. So we got that, and I got my good old trusty Spyderco Yo Jumbo. Not the Jimbo, it's the Jumbo, the big one, the 4-inch Warncliffe blade there. Compression lock. Very nice knife. And that's about it. Let me know in the comments what you guys are carrying today. Thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great Sunday, and we'll catch you later. Oh, I'll give you a quick view from where I am. We're overlooking the 5 freeway, which is one of the most dangerous freeways in the whole of the United States. And there it is there. Total chaos as usual. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. And that's between San Diego that way and Los Angeles that way. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you later, guys.